3 days before the jury trial of an accused killer is set to start, we're learning there is evidence that's being suppressed that could affect the outcome. Good evening. I'm Marissa Holloway.
I'm Joey Parker. We've been following the story of Kelli Smith ever since she crashed her car into Thomas Sullivan's car in 2012. He was killed in that crash, and Smith is accused of driving drunk. Records show she drove the wrong way on I-70 for at least 7 miles before the head-on crash. Tonight, new evidence shows the crash may have been caused because she could have been given a date rape drug. But the state has now suppressed that evidence just days before a trial.
And ABC 17's Dana Clemens has been going through court documents and looking deeper into this evidence that won't be heard in court. And Dana, what could this mean for the case?
Marissa, the defense says Kelli Smith crashed because she was intoxicated, but involuntarily. In other words, she was drugged. But after the court's ruling to suppress, Smith can no longer use it for her defense.
25-year-old Kelli Smith is facing a jury trial on Monday. She's charged with involuntary manslaughter, accused of killing Thomas Sullivan in a drunk driving crash. But in a pretrial hearing this week, her defense lawyer, Jennifer Bukowski, argued Smith wasn't at fault because she was given a date rape drug. I got my hands on testimony from the suppression hearing. When Bukowski questioned a firefighter who responded to the crash, he said he found Smith unconscious when he got on scene, and she was naked from the waist down. Documents show a rape kit was done at the hospital and also found injuries consistent with forcible rape. The state argues Smith's blood sample tested negative for a date rape drug. But Smith's lawyer says that's because the blood wasn't drawn until 7.5 hours after the crash. By then, the body could have cleared it. According to the University of Arkansas, blood tests must be drawn within 4 hours of ingestion of a date rape drug. And the state trooper who took the sample to the crime lab kept it for 59 hours without refrigeration, a fact the defense argues affected the sample results. Still, the judge granted that motion, and now Smith can no longer use it as a defense unless she appeals the suppression decision.
I tried reaching out to both the state and the defense today, but neither wanted to comment because the trial's so soon.
Dana, thank you. And again, the trial begins on Monday. We'll have crews covering it, and we'll bring you the latest.